Major Hoyt Sherman comes from a very prominent family in Ohio. Um, his most famous sibling, General William Tecumseh Sherman, knowing your Civil War history, one of President Lincoln's main generals outside of Ulysses S. Grant. We have Hoyt, and Hoyt never carried a gun that I know of, but he has a rank. But he did his military duty and received his rank. He was paymaster of the Union Army. He is credited in most of the histories as never so much as losing a penny in his records. So anyway, Hoyt Sherman, so influential in the history of Des Moines.